Hi guys, so ito nga po pala yung mga requirements for job applications. First, birth certificate. Kung wala pa kayong PSA birth certificate, pwede kayong mag-search sa Google or Safari ng PSA para makakuha ng PSA birth certificate. Second, pumunta kayo sa dati niyong school at kumuha ng transcript of records. Kailangan din natin ng resume for job applications para sa more informations natin kung anong na-experience natin at kung ano ang mga natapos natin. At sa mga ID naman, ang mga kakailanganin nating IDs for job applications is SSS ID, NBI clearance, police clearance, teen ID, at PhilHealth ID.
After the application or interview, send a thank you email to express your appreciation. Follow up if you haven't heard back within the expected time frame. Reflect on the interview to identify areas for improvement. Continue applying to other positions and networking. Finally, prepare for potential next steps such as additional interviews or skill assessment.
Bilang estudyante, na-realize ko na napakahirap maghanap ng trabaho, lalo na sa proseso ng pagpasa ng requirements. Kakailanganin mo ng valid IDs, transcript of records, PhilHealth, resume, and NBI clearance and police clearance. At bilang estudyante, mahirap makakuha ng valid ID dahil kakailanganin mo pa ng valid ID.